What's up everyone, Techify here. Today, we're talking about scoring an epic internship with a tech titan Intel. You know them, the brains behind the processors that power your PCs, laptops, and even some of those fancy servers running your favorite online games. For decades, Intel has been the driving force behind Moore's Law, cramming more transistors onto those tiny silicon chips than we ever thought possible. These guys are the pioneers, the innovators, the ones who make the impossible possible. But Intel isn't just about hardware anymore, they're diving deep into software, AI, cloud computing, and a whole bunch of other cutting-edge tech that's shaping the future. And guess what? They're looking for bright minds like yours to join the revolution. This is where you come in, the Intel Software Engineer Internship program. This isn't your average coffee-fetching, paper jam-fixing gig. This is your chance to get your hands dirty with real-world projects that matter. We're talking about developing software solutions for Intel's data center group, working on groundbreaking technologies like cloud computing, AI, and high-performance computing. Imagine telling your friends you helped optimize code that powers the cloud. You'll be working alongside industry veterans, learning from the best in the business. Think of it as a massive XP boost for your career, leveling up your skills and knowledge while contributing to something truly groundbreaking. Now let's talk about where you'll be spending your time. The Intel Data Center Group. These guys are responsible for building the backbone of the internet, the powerful servers and data centers that keep everything running smoothly. And the best part? You get to experience the best of both worlds. Hands-on experience in a cutting-edge facility, and the flexibility of a hybrid work model. Work from home, work from the office, work from a coffee shop. The choice is yours. You'll be part of a team that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in data center technology, working on projects that are shaping the future of cloud computing, AI, and big data. Trust me, it doesn't get much cooler than that. Level up your skill tree, what you need to join the team. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds awesome, but do I even stand a chance? Well, if you're a highly motivated student pursuing a degree in computer science, computer engineering, software engineering, or a related field, you're already on the right track. Intel is looking for individuals with a solid foundation in algorithms, data structures, and object-oriented programming. Experience with Linux or other Unix-based operating systems is a huge plus. And hey, if you've got some side projects or contributions to open-source software, don't be shy, show them off. Remember, Intel is not just looking for coding robots, they want passionate individuals who are eager to learn, collaborate, and push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of technology. Perks that make you go heck yeah. Now let's talk about the good stuff. The perks of being an Intel intern. First off, the compensation is competitive, but it's more than just a paycheck. You'll have access to a comprehensive benefits package that includes health insurance, paid time off, and even discounts on Intel products. But here's the real kicker, the mentorship program. You'll be paired with an experienced Intel engineer who will guide you through the program, provide valuable feedback on your work, and help you build your professional network. Think of it as having your own personal Yoda, guiding you on your journey to becoming a Jedi Master of software engineering. Don't just dream it, build it! So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to embark on an epic journey into the heart of the tech world, then the Intel Software Engineer Internship is your calling. This is your chance to level up your skills, work on projects that matter, and be part of a company that's shaping the future. Click the link provided in the description and submit your application today. Trust me, this is one opportunity you don't want to miss. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep pushing the limits. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such exclusive content.